my company is Wexford Insurance. I didn't name my company Nate Jones Insurance because it needs to be bigger than Nate Jones, because then I can sell it someday. So whatever your brand is, you have to create value in that brand that people want to continue to transact with it, right? You go to a shoe store, there's Nikes all over the place. People will transact with Nike on average probably at least 2 times a year for shoes. So the more that they transact with you as a brand and not just a transaction, because that's what we try to get away with our company. I don't want transactions. Like, I want relationships, because I know relationships are going to add more value to my business. They have a relationship with our company, the people that work with us, and that's how you can build value in a brand based on, hey, I am proud to wear what I'm wearing, whatever the product is. Like, I'm wearing this. And I know in some industries that's hard, but I'll use house flipping, right? If you're flipping houses and you flip 4 houses a year, you can make $100,000, but you can't sell that business. But if you have a house flipping company where there's a flow of houses coming in or leads coming in, the things that you can flip, and you have people calling on those leads, and you have salespeople, and you have a proven track record of revenue. Okay, well, there's something that a private equity company or another company would want to buy, because they're seeing that revenue's a proven track. So I think the biggest thing, it's hard to know what value is because you need to create it for equity, but you just got to look at it. Can I be replaced in my company and the lights still go on tomorrow? Like, I need to learn how to stop working in my company and have my company work for me, because if not, I'm sick for a week and nothing gets done. So no owner or companies that really want to buy you for a lot of money, they don't want to buy a job, they want to buy a business. So if you have a business in which, hey, a lot of these companies want to purchase you while you're still there. So they want to buy your business and then you stay on for 4 or 5 years. I just made a video on my YouTube about it's private equity. And they want to keep you there to manage the business. But they're also buying businesses that, hey, in 3 to 5 years, we can get rid of Nate after we've transitioned everything. But so I'm not saying, hey, you should just be sitting back in your office and doing nothing. I am in my business every day. I'm doing sales. I'm doing everything. I'm in the nuts and bolts. But that being said, I can still exit out and the business would still run. So I don't want people to think, hey, you're just sitting back and doing nothing. It's like, no, you'll see Chick-fil-A, right? You'll see the manager, the general manager, the owner of that franchise at Chick-fil-A, he'll hop in and do stuff. But he still has a business where he can remove himself. So I don't want to be misunderstood with, hey, you're just the boring manager in the back of the room that never does anything. It's like, no, you need to be grinding and hustling every day, but also know that, hey, you have to be able to make yourself replaceable.